next one I want to talk about is certificate patrol. So pretty much, I'm gonna scroll down here. It says why so paranoid. Here they give you a detailed version of why you need it. And anytime that a website has a HTTPS, it's based on a certificate. The problem is the way that works. Some places can actually attack a cert or not per se attack, but more or less look like a legitimate certificate when in reality, they're there to really attack your system. So pretty much certificate patrol, they do is they let you know whose the certificate belongs to. So here they're looking at a certificate from the CIA.gov website. So it belongs to the Central Intelligence Agency and it lets them know exactly when the certificate is going to expire. So that's just an extra step, that you can take. It's really up to you. I would say this is more for an advanced user. Now, the other thing, this does not work for Chrome. This is only for, it says it up here, Firefox, Mozilla, SeaMonkey. Okay. So unfortunately, if you're on Chrome, this does not work for you. I did not bother to look for an alternative for Chrome, but you're free to do so. If you do find something interesting, I suggest you leave a comment down below. This way, others can see it as well. And the last one I want to talk about is no script. So no script, pretty much it. Now this one is for Mozilla. They have similar for Chrome, and we'll actually go into the Google Chrome extension store in a few, and we'll look at some of the alternatives they have. But if you're on Firefox, no script, definitely recommend it. Pretty much it blocks the JavaScript, Java, and Flash and other plugins to be only executed from websites you trust, or if you want to allow it to execute it. So in a way, I feel personally that not only is it a protection, but it allows you to load certain web pages a lot faster. Certain websites just get cluttered up with Flash and different things in it that I feel can slow down your connection to it, and they just end up, loading slower. But with this running, they definitely are going to start loading a bit faster because it doesn't have to load up all those extra stuff. It's just loading up the plain basics of the website, all the pretty much all the flashiness of it, and like I said, it's just a pretty good extension to have. So now let's go into the extensions, or we'll do it from. Actually, we'll do it from over here. I was gonna do it from the other side, but the way my TV is set up, it doesn't actually let me see the settings for my Google Chrome, which sucks. So I gotta adjust that. So if you search not script, which is the version that used to be for Chrome before Google shut down the API that it ran on. Now these are the pretty much replacements. Script safe is pretty good. I know that lately, from what I was reading in the reviews, they're having some type of issues where it's not working properly, and as far as I know, it crashes a lot. Content block helper, pretty good as well. The only issue I'm seeing with them is that it only does it for the first web page, so it's not really doing the same process for the rest of the web, or more or less for the rest of the subdomains in that website. Script block supposedly is not script, but the new version of it. I'm not sure how true that is. That was just something I was reading online. I never got a chance to verify if that's true. But nevertheless, they seem to have the more better review. I mean, they still have a few cases here and there where people are complaining, but overall it seems to be pretty solid. So I would recommend checking out either of those three. Test them yourself. See, just which one you feel more comfortable using and which one works best for you. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna have to be the one who's gonna have to feel, one, comfortable with it, and two, it's gonna have to work for you. Um, some may work for others, some may not. So definitely check all three out, test them yourself, see which one you feel that you like best and that it works best, and it gets the job done. That's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. I hope you liked this video. If you do, make sure to leave a like below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave a comment below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my abilities. I started thinking ahead there. But anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video. And again, I hope you enjoy.